tired. I don't even feel like going inside right now, but here we are. Let's do this thing, y'all.
Over again, another 750.
I'm tired. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're returning. So if you've been here for any amount of time, then you know I absolutely love the bike, and that's what I've been like trying to master for the past few weeks. But every once in a while I do like to switch it up and get back on the treadmill, and I definitely do not walk or run flat because I'm trying to preserve the muscle I have while I'm losing this fat, y'all. So my incline is usually between 8 to 12, and then I do a walk and recovery at like 3 or 4 incline, and I just cycle between those. But let's go ahead and get into this workout. But before we do, make sure you guys thumbs up this video and subscribe to the channel. So today on the row machine, I did a total of about 4,000 meters road, and every couple of hundred I would get up and do body weight exercises and also medicine ball exercises. The 12-pounder is pretty heavy, but that's what was at the machine, so I just used what was there. So it definitely just presented a bit of a challenge for me, but that's what I was looking for anyway. Doing exercises that are like squat combo type exercises have really like benefited me. I can notice the difference because even though in this video I'm not doing it, this week at the gym was my very first time actually being able to do a burpee, y'all. Burpees are not my friends. I cannot stand burpees. There's just nothing about them that ever seemed fun, but I actually did them and it was fun. Also, this exercise, doing like the jumping jacks, like, you know, low jumping jacks, I'd never done that before, but I found that this is like one of my favorite exercises. To be honest, I can't really even tell you what I'm working, but whatever I'm working, I love this exercise, y'all. Another thing is, like, I always struggled with the traditional sit-up, but I've noticed that like doing the scissor sit-up with like a little bit of momentum with my arms has definitely helped me. So you guys make sure you guys thumbs this video up and subscribe to the channel, and we will do this again next time.